the number of ways in which 9 boys and 5 girls can be arranged in 2 vans, each having numbered seat 3 in the front and 5 at the back, such that at least 4 girls always sit together. So, we can say that the van's seating arrangement is like this. So, there is van 1, there is van 2. So, there are 3 seats in the front row and 5 seats in the back row. 3 seats in the front row, 5 seats in the back row. Okay, what we are given with is the total number of seats here is 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5. So, 8 plus 8, 16 seats are there, and we have to accommodate 9 boys and 5 girls. So, number of people we have to accommodate is 9 plus 5, 14. So, if this is not given, the number of ways in which they can be arranged, if the question is like that, then we can write in different manner. But here what they are saying, at least 4 girls should always sit together. So, what is the meaning of that? At least 4 girls should sit together. So, at least 4. At least 4 girls sit together is nothing but 4 girls sit together plus 5 girls sit together, right? 4 girls sit together plus 5 girls sit together. So, 5 girls sit together is very easy, because all 5 girls has to be placed in the back row of any one of the vans. So, let us say case 1, 5 girls are sitting together. So, all 5 has to be placed in van 1 or van 2 in the back row. So, select 1 van 2C1, selecting any one of these, and then select all 5 girls 5C5, and they have to arrange in 5 seats. So, 5 factorial, and apart from this 5 seats, how many seats will be left? So, let us say I am filling these 5. So, I will be left with 3 here, 3 here and 5 here. So, total 11 seats are there, 3 plus 3 plus 5, 11, right. So, in these 11 seats we have to place 9 boys. So, 11C 9 into the number of ways in which they can rearrange is 9 factorial. So, this if I simplify it a bit more, 2 into 5C5 into 5 factorial is 5P5, or 5 factorial directly. 11C9 into 9 factorial is 11P9. And then case 2, 4 girls sit together. 4 girls sit together. So, here the 4 girls are sitting together. So, it means the 5th seat can be vacant or it can be filled with a boy, because we have 2 choices here again. So, the 5th seat is vacant, 5th seat is vacant, or 5th seat is filled with a boy. 5th seat is occupied by a boy. So, let us say first 5th seat is vacant, 5th seat is vacant. So, again we can place the girls here or here. So, again selecting the van is 2C1. So, for the first one we are writing, so 2C1 into, so we have 5 girls and we have to select 4, 5C4, and they have to be placed in the 4 places. So, it is 4 factorial into, and then here in the seating arrangement also we have a problem here, because either they can start from the first seat and they can be placed in first 4 seats, or they can start from second seat and they can be placed in 2, 3, 4, 5 seats. So, either they can be placed here, or they can be starting from seat 1, or they can be starting from seat 2. So, here also you will have 2C1 ways, 2 ways to fill them up, and then we are left with again 11 seats, and then in these 11 seats we have to fill 1 girl and 9 boys, right. So 11C 10, they can be arranged among themselves in 10 factorial ways. And if the fifth seat is occupied by a boy, if the fifth seat is occupied by a boy, so first consider a boy, so 9C1, and then select 5 girls, 5C4, and these people can be arranged themselves and are arranged in, girls can be arranged in 4 factorial ways, because 4 has to be sit together, and the boy can occupy first place or the fifth place, because if he is occupying first place, the girls are seating from 2, 3, 4, 5. If the boy is occupying fifth place, the girls are seating with 1, 2, 3, 4. So again 2C1 into, and what is left remaining? 8 boys are left and 1 girl is left. So 11C 9 into 9 factorial, the number of ways in which they can rearrange. And see, this arrangement can be in any one of the bands. Again 2C1. So if we simplify this case, so this is 11P10 and this is 5C4 into 4 factorial is 5 factorial. So 4 into 5 factorial into 11P10. Now here that is 5C4 into 4 factorial is 5 factorial, and then 11P9 into 9 into 2 into 2. So it is 36. So 36 into 5 factorial into 11P9. So total number of ways is equal to 2 into 5 factorial into 11P9 plus 4 into 5 factorial into 11P10 plus 36 into 5 factorial into 11P9. So this is 5 factorial into 11P9 into 2 plus, so here 11P9 is, we have to write, right? So 11P10 is there, so 11P9 into 2 is 11P10. So 2 into 4, so 2 into 4, and here there is 36. So 5 factorial into 11P9 into, so there is 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 36, 46. The total number of ways are 5 factorial into 11P9 into 46. So this is the total number of ways in which the 9 boys and 5 girls which can be arranged in 2 bands.